Searching for a Klaviyo promo code before signing up? That's exactly what most smart e-commerce brands do before investing in a new marketing platform. But here's something many business owners discover after switching to Klaviyo. The biggest win usually isn't the discount. It's what happens after your customer data, email marketing, SMS marketing, automation, and analytics start working together. Klaviyo has become one of the most popular platforms for Shopify stores, e-commerce brands, agencies, and growing online businesses because it helps turn customer data into revenue-generating campaigns. Today, Klaviyo powers over 190,000 brands worldwide and combines marketing automation, customer data, analytics, email, SMS, and AI into a single platform. What's especially interesting in 2026 is Klaviyo's growing focus on AI. Features like AI-powered campaign creation, automated customer support, predictive insights, customer segmentation, and intelligent recommendations help businesses launch campaigns faster while keeping them personalized. If you're running an e-commerce store, subscription business, agency, or direct-to-consumer brand, even a small increase in repeat purchases, customer retention, or email revenue can often generate a return far greater than the software cost itself. And if you're just getting started, Klaviyo offers a free plan that allows eligible businesses to test core features before upgrading. The free plan supports up to 250 active profiles and includes limited email sending capacity. So before paying full price, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo promo link, available promotions, free plan details, and current offers that may help you get started at the best possible value. And if you enjoy finding verified software deals, e-commerce tools, email marketing platforms, SaaS discounts, and business resources that help grow revenue, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.